So you are selling in the money put 21,750 and you are buying 21,650. What is this? 1:5 reward to risk. Am I correct? Yeah, this is essentially a bullish strategy only. You have just sold an in the money put and you have bought an out of the money put. Okay, so we have this. We have tested this, right? This spike down was D period. Now we are sustaining above this. Now we need follow through, right? This is why I have put this barrier of VWAP to decide whether you're going to be long or short. Why I ask you not to be long below VWAP? For the simple reason, and that is called as weight of market. So I don't know what this means exactly, but I have heard many traders say that market can fall under its own weight and you don't need much volume for that either. So market can just keep falling down, right? And the volume may not pick up, the volume will be average to low, something like that, and market will just keep making new lows, okay, one after the other after the other. Now obviously we have single prints here, but if I have to go long, I have to see market trading above VWAP. So instead of now then selling 750 strike, you can go for 800. So let me check what is this VWAP trading at 21,720, right? So once you go above that, then instead of selling 750, you can think about selling 800. But then the probability of that trade working out will be much higher. Right now, what can happen is this market can keep edging lower, and at some point in time, it either will start to accelerate lower fast, or sometimes what happens is market just keeps edging lower. It reaches an important reference like VWAP, gives a sharp bounce, and then falls again. So again it traps a lot of traders and then it just keeps killing them. So just what I would do is I'll wait for these single prints to be repaired. So let's say we close here and we have traded some times in the single prints, then I am happy. Then in fact you can completely reverse this strategy and think about the opposite side, like selling in the money call and buying out of the money call and reversing this. That also is possible if we have this. And if we now go above VWAP, wait for a pullback, and on this pullback you decide whether you want to go with 750 or you want to go for 800 or whatever. That is how you should think about that particular trade.